Out of all European countries, Italy is probably the one with the best landscapes and natural landmarks. This is why here at TBC, Tower House Broadcasting Channel, we are looking forward to sharing and discovering the beauties of this amazing country. From mind-blowing coasts and beaches to high mountains and mysterious valleys, Italy was gifted with relaxing places like the Lake of Como to harsh peaks like the one in the Dolomites. Enjoy a hot day bathed in sun rays in the Amalfi Coast, or hike and climb Corno Grande in Abruzzo. Doesn't matter what you choose to do, you will never be bored here. You can have a long walk in Tuscany and end the day with spas and amazing food while you stare at the long roads that cross the rural areas of Italy. You have nothing more to do than leaving your sofa and traveling to Italy.